In this video, we'll be visiting Unique Classic Cars in Mankato, Minnesota, checking out all the wonderful classic cars and trucks they have available for sale as of Friday, July 5th, 2024. In this video, I'm just going to show you the vehicle and give you a price. For more information about the pricing, availability, options of any of these vehicles, check out Unique Classic Cars website at uniqueclassiccars.com. Keep in mind, I'm just visiting Unique Classic Cars. I am not an employee. I'm not responsible for pricing or anything of that nature. So if the prices are too low, don't complain to me. Run in and buy the car right away. 1940 Ford Deluxe Convertible, $59,900. 1955 Chevrolet, $39,900. 1956 Pontiac Chieftain Catalina, $24,900. 1957 Cadillac Eldorado, $169,900. 1953 Chevrolet, $29,900. 1949 Cadillac Series 61 Sedan, $43,900. 1955 Buick Super Convertible, $72,900. 1956 Buick Special 4-door Hardtop, $29,900. 1949 Ford Custom, $36,900. 1960 Buick Invicta Convertible, $52,900. Keep in mind, all these prices are subject to change and subject to vehicle availability. This is a 1975 Oldsmobile Delta 88, $36,900. 1970 Pontiac Catalina 400, $29,900. 1967 Lincoln Continental, no price indicated. 1971 Lincoln Continental Mark III, $19,900. 1979 Lincoln Continental Mark V, $19,900. 1967 Chevrolet Chevelle SS, $99,900. 1960 Oldsmobile Super 88 Convertible, $38,900. 1960 Cadillac Series 62, $54,900. 1978 Cadillac Eldorado Baritz, $19,900. It's a 1972 Cadillac. This vehicle is sold. $1979 Pontiac Bonneville Sedan, $13,900. $1979 Lincoln Mark V, no price indicated. $1985 Buick Grand National, $39,900. This appears to be 1962 Cadillac. This is a customer vehicle, so it's not available for sale. 1965 Cadillac DeVille Convertible, $34,900 is what it was selling for, but currently has been sold. $1965 Ford F-350, $59,900. And the last vehicle in this row is a 2006 Ford F-350, $36,900. All of these prices are as of July 5th, 2024. First vehicle in row 2 is a 1966 Dodge Charger, $119,900. $1967 Pontiac GTO, $59,900. $1971 Chevrolet Nova, $48,900. $1972 Chevrolet Nova, $52,900. $1965 Chevrolet Impala. This vehicle is currently in an online auction. This is a beautiful car. I like it a lot. Of course, that's true of a lot of these cars. All right, 1969 Chevrolet Convertible. It's a RS Camaro, $79,900. 1967 Oldsmobile Cutlass. This has no price indicated. It's a 442. $1968 Chevrolet Camaro, no price indicated. This is a sold 1962 Chevrolet Impala. $1963 Chevrolet Bel Air, $44,900. $1967 Chevrolet Nova, $52,900. Another 1967 Chevrolet Nova. This one is sold. 1967 Chevrolet Camaro RS, $49,900. $1979 Chevrolet Camaro Z28, $36,900. $1970 Chevrolet Camaro Z28. This is in an auction online at the time of this recording. 1989 Chevrolet Camaro, $14,900. 1983 Buick Riviera Convertible for $24,900. This is what appears to be a 1954 Plymouth Plaza. I'm not positive. This is, I think, a new arrival. It's not on the uniqueclassiccars.com website yet. And there's no information on the vehicle or in the vehicle. 1954 Chevrolet 210, $25,900. 1983 Oldsmobile Delta 88, $13,900. 1984 Olds Toronado, $16,900. This is a sold 2002 Thunderbird. $1966 Chevrolet Impala SS, $39,900. 2010 Cadillac CTS, $28,900. $1978 Cadillac Sedan DeVille, $19,900. And the last vehicle in this row is a 1991 Cadillac Brome d'Elegance, $32,900. For more information and availability and current pricing of any of these vehicles, make sure to check out uniqueclassiccars.com. 1967 BSA Trackmaster, $9,900. To the left, we have a 1928 Auto Redbug 10 slat, $19,900, and on the right is a 1928 Auto Red Bug 6 slat, $21,900. This Yamaha motorcycle, I couldn't find any information about it. It's a Yamaha 175. And this is a 1939 Auto Union, which is in an online auction at the time of this recording. So check out Unique Classic Cars for a link to the auction. This is a 1931 Pontiac Series 401 Fine 6, and it is $26,900. 1925 Ford Model T, $12,900. 1930 Ford Model A Sport, $13,900. This Ford I could find no information on. It does have a plaque in there about the New London to New Spicer classic car run that's held in Minnesota every year. That's something I have videos on the channel, so check the link in the description to a video of antique cars. This is a 1926 Ford Model T, $14,900. The video I have on the website is cars arriving and leaving the Buffalo, Minnesota American Legion. It features all the older cars. (1936) Ford Cabriolet, $39,900. 1935 Pierce Arrow 845 Limo, $59,900. 1936 Ford Woody Wagon, $69,900. This does include the trailer that was in the very first shot of the BSA motorcycle in this row. This is a 1937 Ford Sedan. No price is indicated. This is a newer arrival. And same for this 1951 Ford Tudor. It's a new arrival, so there's no price available to me at the time of recording and posting this video. 1936 Ford Deluxe Tudor, $24,900. This is a sold 1967 Chevrolet Caprice. 1966 Dodge Polara, $14,900. 1966 Dodge Charger, no price indicated. 1987 Chevrolet Caprice, $16,900. 1996 Pontiac Trans Am, $14,900. 1997 Pontiac Firebird Formula, $18,900. 1983 Oldsmobile Hearst, $36,900. 1966 Ford Mustang, $59,900. 2003 Ford Mustang Mach 1, $32,900. 2013 Ford Mustang Shelby GT 500, $56,900. 2007 Ford Mustang Shelby GT, $27,900. 2007 Ford Mustang Celine, $39,900. And the last vehicle in this row is a 2021 Ford Mustang Shelby GT 500, $109,900. 1933 Ford Roadster. As of the time of the recording of this video, there is no information available in regards to pricing. Must be a new arrival. 1986 Alfa Romeo GTV 6, $26,900. 1959 Nash Metropolitan, $11,900. 1974 MG MGB. This car is in an online auction, so go to uniqueclassiccars.com to check out this vehicle and a link to the auction if you're watching this video close to the original post date of July 5th, 2024. 2000 Jeep Cherokee Classic 4x4, $19,900. And this is a 2016 Jeep Wrangler. It is sold. (2010) Chevrolet Camaro 2SS ZL575, $59,900. (2000) Plymouth Prowler, $36,900. Cadillac XLR. There's no information available on this vehicle at the current time. (2010) Chrysler Sebring Limited, $12,900. (1974) Chevrolet Corvette, $26,900. 1968 Chevrolet Corvette, $34,900. 1980 Chevrolet Corvette, $16,900. 1970 Chevrolet Corvette, $69,900. 1980 1992 Chevrolet Corvette, $19,900. 1993 Chevrolet Corvette, $16,900. Another 1993 Chevrolet Corvette, $19,900. $1996 Chevrolet Corvette, $21,900. $2001 Chevrolet Corvette, $24,900, but it's sold. $2007 Chevrolet Corvette, $28,900. 2000 Chevrolet Corvette, $13,900. $2010 Chevrolet Corvette, $39,900. And a 1963 Chevrolet Corvette, $69,900. In this video, we're skipping the cars down there. I think they're cars in for work. They're customer cars. So maybe they're getting work done or something of that nature. So we're not going to show those today. We're just going to try to show the remainder of the vehicles indoors here. And in this fifth row, the first vehicle we have is a 1966 Chevrolet C10 for $49,900. 1957 Chevrolet 3100, $59,900. $1963 Ford F100, $49,900. $2010 Ford F150 XL, $18,900. It's a little bit tight in here. We have some cars in the aisle or in front of these pickup trucks. 1998 GMC Sierra 1500 Series, $24,900. $1966 Ford F250 ice cream truck, $54,900. 1997 Chevrolet Silverado K1500, $26,900. $1998 Chevrolet Silverado K1500, $34,900. 1995 Chevrolet Silverado K1500 4x4, $32,900. 1983 Dodge W150, $49,900. 1970 Chevrolet C10, $32,900. 1972 Chevrolet C10, $37,900. 1976 GMC K15, $23,900. 1969 Chevrolet C10, $38,900. 1967 Chevrolet C10, $52,900. 1972 Chevrolet C10, $32,900. 1973 1954 Chevrolet 3100 Street Rod, $54,900. 1965 Ford F100 Street Rod, $42,900. 1950 F1 Stepside, $36,900. 1967 Chevrolet Camaro SS Tribute, $54,900. 1970 Plymouth GTX, $99,900. 1958 Pontiac Bonneville, $99,900. 1993 Harley Davidson FX WDG, $6,900. 2021 Harley Davidson Street Glide, $23,900. 1995 Harley Davidson Road King, $9,900. 1964 Cadillac DeVille, no price indicated. And the last vehicle in this row is a 1983 Hearse Olds with 189 miles, and there is no price indicated. 1996 Chevrolet Impala SS Sedan, $32,900. Chevrolet Nova, no price indicated. This is a new arrival. 1986 Chevrolet K10 pickup truck, no price indicated.
Everything we work for comes down to this. Quick question. Speaking of workouts, how would you rate it?
1978 Chevrolet Corvette, $19,900. This is a 1974 Chevrolet Monte Carlo. This is a new arrival. There is no price indicated as of yet. So check out their website in the future after July 5th, 2024. And eventually you may see this car available for sale if somebody doesn't snap it up right away. (2022) Chevrolet Corvette Convertible. This is a new arrival, so there's no price set yet for this vehicle. Plymouth GTX. (1968) 1957 Chevrolet. This is a new arrival, so there is no price indicated yet. 1971 Chevrolet Chevelle. This is a new arrival, so there's no price indicated yet. (1974 Honda Dual Sport 90, $6,900. 1903 Pierce Motorette Model HK 2-seater. So now that we've done a showroom tour, let's do a lot walk and check out all the cars that are outside. This first car is a 1960 Buick Electra. It is entered into an auction, so the price is not indicated. You'll have to check out their website to see if this car sold at that auction or bid on the car if it's still in the auction. And if it didn't sell, maybe you could check out the price at their website at uniqueclassiccars.com. This is a 2016 Ford Mustang Shelby GT350, selling for $58,900. 1961 Ford F100 truck, $32,900. 1968 Buick Riviera, $26,900. Got one more row of cars and this tour will be over. $1978 Pontiac Firebird, $26,900. $1973 Ford Mustang Convertible. This is a new arrival, so there's no price indicated yet. It's one of the advantages of watching these lot walk tours. You can see some cars that are not yet available on the website. So if it's a car you're interested in, you might be able to call them up and get a price on the vehicle or negotiate a deal before anybody else sees it. This is a 1995 Cadillac Fleetwood, $19,900. $1964 Oldsmobile Jetstar. There we go. 1964 Oldsmobile Jetstar 88, $18,900. Now I'm wondering if I had the camera pointed at those other cars. Hopefully I got most of the cars in the video. Or the whole car, I should say. This is a Cadillac XLR. I don't find any information on their website, and there's no price or year indicated on the car. $1995 Cadillac Fleetwood Brougham, $14,900. $1977 Ford LTD four-door, $16,900. $1983 Olds Tornado, $16,900. $1984 Pontiac Parisienne, $19,900. $1980 Olds Tornado, $9,900. $1975 Lincoln Continental Mark IV, $8,900. $1976 Lincoln Mark IV, $29,900. $1965 Ford F100, $9,900. Let's see if I can make it to the rest of the video without saying dollars. So we all know it's dollars by now, right? 1967 Chevrolet C10, $26,900. Although somebody will probably comment who will skip right to this part of the video and say, why didn't you say if the price was in dollars or what the denomination was? Was it in Philippine pesos? This is a 1966 Ford F100, $14,900. $1966 Chevrolet C20, $8,900. $1997 Chevrolet C1500 extended cab, $17,900. $1974 Chevrolet Cheyenne 20 Series, $15,900. $1982 Chevrolet C10 Silverado Diesel, $22,900. $1990 Chevrolet Scottsdale K1500, $14,900. $2004 Jeep Wrangler, $19,900. See, I had to say it once. $2014 Chevrolet Silverado LTZ, $17,900. So all prices in US dollars. If you think the prices are too low, you can offer to pay more. If you think the prices are too high, you could offer less, I guess, and see what they have to say about that. Thank you for watching this entire video. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed to the Vehicle Mundo YouTube channel, please consider doing so. I would really appreciate that support. Make sure to check out additional videos on this channel, including car walks similar to this one, as well as a variety of classic car shows.